Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together to our comprehensive beginner's tutorial on how to unlock the immense potential of Leonardo AI. In this detailed guide, we will delve into the world of text-to-image generation and illustrate how to harness the creative prowess of this AI-driven platform. Before we dive into the exciting world of Leonardo AI, I will assume that you have already created an account. If not, I recommend checking out our video on how to get early access to Leonardo AI to easily create an account and join the creative community. Now, let us begin. Start by clicking on the AI image generation tool located on the left-hand menu. This is where the magic happens. Here, you gain full control of the image generation process, allowing you to fine-tune every aspect to align with your creative vision. Leonardo AI offers a range of adjustable parameters that empower you to craft AI-generated images with precision. You can modify settings such as image dimensions, aspect ratio, steps, guidance scale, and schedulers. These customizable options ensure your creations match your unique creative vision. The platform also offers a variety of advanced models that can enhance your creative experience, like the Prompt Magic version 2. This model elevates your creative process by significantly improving prompt adherence and enhancing image composition when used in conjunction with any of Leonardo AI's models. To activate Prompt Magic, simply toggle it in the left menu. When enabled, you can also use the image prompt feature, which draws inspiration from up to 5 input images. As the name suggests, Alchemy is truly transformative. It is a bespoke 2D image pipeline renowned for its ability to generate images of exceptional quality. What sets it apart is its capacity to handle high-resolution image generation seamlessly, without compromising on quality. However, it is worth noting that some of these tools and models may require you to upgrade your plan. Now that you are well acquainted with the features and capabilities of Leonardo AI, let us walk through the process of generating an image using this remarkable platform. Step 1. Begin by creating a prompt. Describe your creative vision in plain language. Step 2. The choice is yours. You can enable additional tools like Prompt Magic to enhance your creative process. Adjust settings like strength and contrast to fine-tune your results. Step 3. You have the flexibility to choose the number of prompts generated, whether you opt for 2, 4, or 6 prompts. It's entirely up to you. Step 4. Click the Generate button to bring your creative vision to life. Keep in mind that, as a free account user, you have a token limit of 150, and each prompt consumes 20 tokens. Use them wisely or consider upgrading your plan for more tokens. Step 5. Now, be patient and watch the magic unfold as Leonardo AI transforms your prompt into a unique image. And there you have it. You have successfully generated your first image with Leonardo AI. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced creator, Leonardo AI offers a world of possibilities to explore. Dive in, let your imagination run wild, and create incredible art with this powerful text-to-image generation tool. We hope this tutorial has ignited your creativity, and equipped you with the knowledge to kickstart your journey with Leonardo AI. Enjoy the creative process, and remember, the only limit is your imagination. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.